In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the language of the Nox app player, and it's over here. We're gonna open it first, and that takes a little while, so please have patience. It's coming up right now. Well, if I have the time now, please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want future updates. If you don't want future updates, don't subscribe to my channel. But, well, it's 50%. I'm on a little bit an old iMac, so it's not working very fast. Well, now it goes more fast. Here we are. Let's change the language. What we have to do, we go with our mouse to the right top and we hold the left mouse button. Yes, then we go to the wheel and we left the mouse button, and then you see a kind of a more like an Android phone where you can change your different options. And here you can change your language. Yes, so you can do more here, but here you can change your language. Now it's English, and that's okay for me. But maybe you want to change it to Spanish or something else, and then you can change it right here. Yes, guys? Well, hope that helped you, and please hit the like button if I helped you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.